Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to tell you about Bigo Beans. I want to explain what Bigo Beans is all about, and also I want to show you how you can find your Bigo Beans. Alright, so let's get started guys. So first of all, I'll show you how you can find your Bigo Beans. So if you want to find your Bigo Beans, all you have to do is to open your Bigo Life application and then log into your account. So once you are logged into your account, you'll notice this me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that, and then you will land on this page. If you look right here, you notice this wallet option. Go ahead and tap on the wallet option, and then at the top of your screen you notice two tabs, the diamonds and beans. Right, tap on the beans, and then it will start loading your beans for you. So if you have received any gift during your life, then you'll be able to see beans right here. So these beans are actually the rewards you get during your live stream, the gifts that are sent to you, and also on your videos you earn some amount of revenue by just posting video on Bigo. So you earn a couple of cents per views. Okay, so that amounts to the amount of bean you are going to get right here. So beans are basically the rewards you get on Bigo Live, either from random users, your followers, or from your videos that are posted on Bigo Live. All right, so these are basically the gifts, the rewards you get from users on Bigo, and from Bigo as well, because once you post a video, you earn some revenue, all right, from your videos. Okay, so that's just it. That's just what the beans is all about. It's basically the rewards you get from users and from Bigo Live. Okay, so that's it. So that's all about what beans is all about. So hope you understand that. If you just give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.